Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit your cPanel site, so let's get right into it. Now, while cPanel doesn't have specifically any built-in options to edit your site using a site builder, I'm pretty sure there is one for the web host manager, so you can check that out. However, you can edit cPanel sites through the HTML editor by accessing your site files using the file manager on cPanel. And pretty much what you need to do is you just need to go into the cPanel home, then files and file manager, and then you'll see all your website files. Now, cPanel does have a built-in HTML editor, which you can use to code the HTML for all of your pages. And you can use all of these settings over here, as you can see, to edit any of the HTML elements, as well as the form elements if you want. You can also insert images and create a file browser as well. And yeah, you can edit the HTML as you would on any other website, and that is one way of doing it. However, you also have another one, and that is the site jet builder, which is from WordPress. And for that, you're going to need to create a WordPress website. You're going to need to install the WordPress toolkit by going to home domains and then the WordPress toolkit. Just install WordPress and then just enter a title for your website, and it'll suggest a username, password, and email address for the admin account. And once you install it, you'll be able to use the WordPress site builder to create your site and edit any existing pages. And you can also, of course, upload your own content by just going to the file manager. You can code on your own PC and then just upload the files through the file manager onto your website directories, and that should create any needed changes on your website. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.